So you would want to go to a thing. You just sign in with Google, press sign in with Google, and then you just press. You can change the name by pressing this or this. You can make it Bedrock or Java, but we're focusing on Java today. Then you just press create. You can start it. For example, I have this server, and it's actually gonna make a little ding when it starts. So while it's starting, we can already go to the Minecraft launcher, and then you would see how to create a Minecraft server. So I'm gonna explain some stuff with this server. You can change the version. Well, I just noticed it's 1.18.2 on this one, and you can just basically you can change software. If you can, like, for those mod people out there, you can just choose Forge, and then you can go to it's gonna add the mod thingy, and in files you can download the world or stuff. And in access, you can share like this server with your friends so they can start it or anything. And this is where it all comes handy. Like, if you're like, I'm not the operator of this server, you just slash OP, and then whatever your name is. For example, my name is Utralays YT. Yeah. So it's gonna OP you. Well, you gotta write slash. However, the IP is the name of the server, so you can just go here somewhere. No, not here. Here, onto server, and then you copy this by pressing Control plus C. It actually might crash. Yeah, but it crashes for me usually because I'm recording right now. Up. And now we heard the ding, which means the server started. Here, Minecraft started, and we can just press refresh. You press add server, and then Control plus V, and it's gonna start the server. But I have somewhere here. It's called hardcore. It might do this. You like when you try connecting, it will disconnect, but you just have to wait a little until it says like 0 out of 20. Yes, you can change like how many players be there, and I'm gonna show you that a bit later. We can join world, and here you guys can see we just joined the world. Then you can do game mode creative because we're already an operator, guys. So this is how you make a server. But one more thing I wanted to show you guys is how to make your server like a not plugin, like how to make it so that there's like more players, and I'm going to show you that right now. Here you can slots. You can change how many slots there are, and if you can make it cracked for those cracked users, and then the cracked users can join. And here basically all the settings. And what I'm trying to show you is like, for example, how you want to make it hardcore. So I'm going to show you right now how to make it hardcore. You just press, you can reinstall, but that's going to delete your world, so warning. You're gonna to enable hardcore. It is like this. It's gonna pop up like this, but it will pop up like this for you. So now it's on hardcore. You can also restart or stop the server. Bye, guys.